It is a fact that we depend on our cars a lot these days. In fact, it's become one of life's necessities. We enjoy driving our cars around, going to work, visiting a friend, or going shopping. But when the snow starts to fall and roads start to freeze, that is where things start to change. We all know that driving in the winter is a difficult time to stay safe on the roads. So, some people prefer riding the bus instead of driving to avoid the risk of slippery accidents. But when black ice forms, many accidents occur due to the unexpected loss of traction. In fact, even buses have struggled with black ice and drivers become helpless. Another example of a black ice incident is when the traffic ahead of you comes to a sudden stop, but your car is unable to stop and you end up in a multi-car pile-up collision. In the past few years, we have seen some terrifying footage of multi-car collisions of up to 100 vehicles. It is sad when we realize that just in North America alone, nearly 2,000 people die every year in winter-related accidents. So here's a solution. After seeing how easily hockey players are able to stop on the slippery ice rink by layering their skates at a certain angle, it made me think that it is very possible to create a similar technology that helps cars to stop on the slipperiest roads in the same way. Then I remembered the quote that said, "When someone tells you it can't be done, it's more a reflection of their limitations, not yours." After doing some research, I came up with a few designs which are applicable to all kinds of vehicles. Introducing Emergency Direct Brake. The first design is for vehicles with high ground clearance, like trucks and SUVs. This style includes two small scissor lifts, which get bolted to the vehicle's chassis with angled blades on the bottom plate. They get extended by pneumatic cylinders in an emergency situation, followed by a fast retraction once the vehicle has stopped. Another design is for the lower ground clearance vehicles or sedans. This style includes 4 pneumatic cylinders, one behind each wheel, that get extended to hit the black ice, resulting in an immediate stop and then retracts quickly. In fact, there are some other designs that are still under development. All the designs will go through intensive testing and developing before they get approved for public use. Until then, I need your support. It will make all the difference. My goal is to save lives by researching and developing an anti-slippage system that is not only going to be affordable, but also reliable. Thank you so much for your support, and God bless you.